Hello everyone, I came to the haunted house. Follow me, let's see what they have. Look, this is the haunted house. The haunted house is so scary. Let me get out of it. Let me go to the Schmitts farm. Look, they have beautiful pumpkin field. Let me try if I pick it up. Ooh, it's too heavy, but I did it. Look, those pumpkin is so big. Look what I'm doing! Riding on the pony! Look, I got the sticker! Look, this is a sunflower garden. And look, they have all the Halloween decoration. They have a scarecrow and the flowers. Look at that jack-o'-lantern. It's so big. Look, I'm like an eyeball of the jack-o'-lantern. Let me get out of there. Look, they have so many rides in here. Woohoo! Look, I'm in the castle now. Look, this is a barn. And this is a farm. Look, I'm in the train now. Choo-choo! Now I will be riding on the big tractor. Look at that pumpkin field. It's so big. It's having so much fun in this farm. That's what all for today. Bye-bye.